Going to Walt Disney World and staying on a resort is a lot of fun, but it also can be a little on the expensive side, and that's why we decided to have Amazon Fresh groceries delivered right to our resort. As an example, we saw one of the grab-and-go items was a sliced green apple with a little bit of caramel sauce for $3.99 for a single apple. Apples, no surprise, were part of our grocery delivery from Amazon Fresh. I'm gonna tell you about the process, and then at the end you can see our entire haul for the week that we stayed at Disney. So first of all, it was super simple. I've never done it. I did it for the first time for this video, and I honestly thought it was really smooth. So as a newbie, I would definitely recommend it to someone. It's not something that is really hard until you get the hang of it. If you shop on Amazon regularly, it's basically the same process. First thing I would recommend you doing is Googling the address of your resort. That's what I did. We stayed at Port Orleans Riverside. I Googled the address they gave me, takes you right to the lobby. It was very easy. And the cool thing is Amazon delivers there regularly, so they're very used to delivering to resorts. I even asked the concierge when we checked in, I was like, do you guys get Amazon Fresh deliveries often? And he looked at me like, of course we do. And he said, yes, we do. It's very normal. If you're here, they come right here. And if not, we can hold it and get you. So I didn't have any experience with not meeting my delivery driver, but it is an option unless you have alcohol, but that's not something I dealt with. So after you Google the address, you want to make sure that as you're building your Amazon Fresh, that you are having that as your location, because you're going to be shopping based on what's available in Orlando, not where you live. Like for me, Kalamazoo, Michigan might have something different available than what's available in Orlando. So when I was in my app, I simply searched Amazon Fresh and was able to shop within Fresh within my app. So again, it was just like shopping on Amazon. I had it sent to the Buena Vista, Florida address, which is where our resort was. I found the address simply by Googling, and it was really simple. Because I didn't want to be stuck having to meet the driver just in case I was stuck in line somewhere or a shuttle took too long, I decided not to order alcohol. But as I mentioned, if you do have alcohol in your order, they have to meet you and have your ID present. So you're a little more tied to the order than if you don't. So I was able to order on a Saturday afternoon for a Monday morning delivery. I just wanted to get it in. I was worried that maybe the times wouldn't be available when I knew I was free, and it worked really well. I ordered on a Saturday, and then on Monday, we had a 2-hour window from 8 to 10 a.m. And the really cool thing is, in between that time, I was able to open my order and edit it. I decided I wanted to try adding some sparkling water, which was unavailable. That was too bad. Sparkling water is one of my favorite things, but it wasn't available in what I wanted. But I was able to edit the order, go in there, change my pita chips. Really very easy. Again, it's just like shopping. And even though I ordered Saturday, it wasn't locked in until Monday. And I thought that was really nice and very user-friendly. I did see that if you have things like an EBT grocery card, that is an option to shop on Amazon. So I don't know if that's helpful to anyone, but I thought that was really great to see that that is an option. As far as the cost of groceries, I don't normally shop name brands. So like Stacy's pita chips aren't something I would normally buy. So the price is a little higher than what I'm used to on a regular Aldi trip, but I don't think it's extremely high compared to just shopping the name brands normally. It's just not something I usually do. As far as additional costs beyond the groceries, there is a delivery fee unless you hit maybe $150. I'm not sure what it is because we didn't hit it, but the more my order went up, the lower the delivery fee went. So the more I spent, the less it costs to have it delivered, and I think that makes sense. However, the more I ordered, the higher the suggested tip is. So my delivery ended up being $6.95 and they suggested a $7 tip, so that's what I left. I stuck with whatever they did. You can edit that, and I don't know if you can change the tip after the fact. So, you know, if you had a really poor delivery or a really wonderful delivery, I don't know if you can change the tip. Again, I just stuck with what they suggested and left it at that. The day of the delivery, I ended up getting a text before 8 a.m. My delivery window was 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I ended up getting a text about 7:40 telling me my delivery was on the way. I thought it was really great that Amazon regularly texted updates. I was able to put in my phone number, and it was very easy to see where my delivery was because they provided a map. They told me how many stops away I was. So even though they said it was gonna be there soon, it ended up taking about 50 minutes, but I wasn't surprised because I could see where my delivery driver was in relation to where the delivery was gonna be made. When the driver did end up coming, he was wearing an Amazon vest. It was very easy to identify who the delivery driver was. I was sitting out front in front of the lobby of my resort. He had a cart that brought all of the groceries. Everything was bagged. If there were cool items, they were in insulated paper bags. It was really easy. And once he delivered to me, I put everything right on a luggage cart, took it to my room. It was very simple. The transaction was seamless. All of my groceries were there. There were no substitutions. I had no issues with quality. So I got fresh bananas, fresh cucumbers, and fresh apples. And I was happy with the selection of the quality. If you think about it, the cost of the entire bag of apples was slightly more than one apple. So even if we didn't eat the entire bag, the value was much better than buying fresh apples, fresh vegetables on resort. So we did eat most of our food out, but it was nice to have snacks on hand in the room as my kids were hungry in between meals, and it really saved us from spending as much on resort. And we got some of the healthier produce items and hummus. And of course, we snuck in some sweets as well. In the end, my food was delivered within my 2-hour window. I had a wonderful driver and he was very friendly. Everything was accurate and I was very happy. And honestly, I was a little worried because I'd never done the process, but it was very stress-free. They updated me the entire way. And I know it probably sounds like I'm sponsored by them, but I'm just a happy customer. So now let's see the grocery haul that I received from Amazon. Okay, so here's our part of the grocery haul. We got 2 24 packs of water. I wanted to show that some of these bags are lined for the cooler items. So one of our cold items, we got hummus, which is for pita chips. You'll see those in a minute. We're just trying to supplement all of our meals and kind of have well-rounded snacks at night. And just, you'll see we got a bunch of bananas here. And some apples. My kids pretty universally like apples and bananas, so it's simple to pick those. And we also got a pack of mini cucumbers. And this is my kids all love flaming hot cheddar and sour cream chips. We got those. Probably went a little overboard, and I don't even know if we have a microwave in the room. But in case we do, this is just easy to pop at night. And my husband loves microwave ultimate butter popcorn, so I got that just so if we wanted it. It's obviously cheaper than buying it at the convenience store here. Some mini muffins. We got blueberry and chocolate chip. My older daughter was craving oatmeal raisin cookies, so I got those. I got these just because I know everyone in my family likes some easy snack that everyone likes. Nutty Buddies. My husband asked me to get those. I got 2 things of Stacy's pita chips for the hummus, Parmesan garlic and roasted jalapeno. These were out of stock, so originally I ordered these. 7 grain and seeds. I thought I removed these, but I guess I didn't, so I got those as well. 3 types of pita chips, 1 hummus tub. We might have a problem. I was only going to get 1 box of Pop-Tarts. My kids wanted these, but my husband wanted strawberries, so I got both. And then finally, Cheez-It Snack Mix, although I think that's my in-laws, so I think I need to move that to their bag. We were very happy with the process of Amazon Fresh. I would definitely recommend it if you're staying at Walt Disney World or another vacation spot. It worked really well for us. The delivery drivers were very used to delivering to resorts, and it wasn't a new process for them, even though it was new for me. And if you want to see what a normal grocery haul looks like, you can check out one of my normal weekly Aldi hauls right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.